The status of a reservation can be determined by the color it appears in either the tape chart as you look up the guest reservation or in Snapshot. We'll take a look at the tape chart to show you what these different colors mean. So we're going to look at a couple of different date ranges, but right now I have today's date. I'll make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. And here we are. So right here we have a reservation that's showing in red. It's showing in red down here as well. This is telling us that the reservation is currently in-house. If we click on this, if we highlight the green one, just move our cursor over it, it's showing down here now in green and showing over here CNF, meaning confirmed. So we know that these people are going to be coming in on the 21st. Let's see if we can find some different types of reservations. This one in blue is stating 000. That means that the unit is out of order. There's various reasons for a unit to be out of order, from maintenance issues to change in ownership. When a reservation appears in gray, it means that we haven't received payment for it yet, or the reservation is currently on hold. We could be waiting for our guests to confirm their dates, or just to provide us with a credit card. We'll always say new. Finally, we'll take a look at a canceled reservation and then a checked out reservation. So right here, we just looked up Tom Goldman. He stayed with us in the past, and you'll see his reservation shows up in black, which means that it's checked out. It will also show up on the tape chart in black as well. If it's this light blue color and says CAN, that means that the reservation was canceled. These won't necessarily show up on the tape chart, and you can find them in here when you do the guest reservation lookup.